Welcome back to Learn German, A1 edition. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Charlie. Episode 37. Let's go.
12 brand new A1 words today. Without, oil, grandma, and more.
12 words. I'm ready.
Word 1.
Ohne.
Without? Close to mit?
Without. Ohne plus Akkusativ always. Ohne Geld. Ohne Milch. Ohne ihn.
Ohne Geld kann nichts kaufen.
Without money, he can't buy anything. Without money, can't buy.
Den Salat machen wir ohne Öl.
We make the salad without oil.
Got it. Ohne. Without. Different shade from mit.
Opposite. Mit plus Dativ. Word 2.
Das Öl. Das Öl.
Is that oil? I've seen die Butter before. How are they different?
Oil. Das Öl. Neuter. Plural. Öle.
Den Salat machen wir ohne Öl.
We make the salad without oil. Salad without oil.
Welches Öl nehmen Sie zum Kochen?
Which oil do you use for cooking? Key distinction. Das Öl, oil, cooking motor. Die Butter, butter, cooking fat alternatives.
Das Öl. Oil. Plural. Öle. Different from die Butter.
Das Olivenöl, olive oil. Das Sonnenblumenöl, sunflower oil. Die Butter, butter. Die Margarine, margarine. Word 3.
Die Oma. Die Oma.
Is that grandma? I've seen die Großmutter before. How are they different?
Grandma. Die Oma, feminine. Plural, Omas. Also, gran.
Meine Oma ist schon tot.
My grandma has already passed away. My grandma has passed away.
Die Oma passt auf die Kinder auf.
Grandma looks after the children. Key distinction. Die Oma equals grandma, informal, affectionate. Die Großmutter equals grandmother, standard.
Die Oma. Grandma. Plural. Omas. Different from die Großmutter.
Der Opa, grandpa. Die Großmutter, grandmother. Der Großvater, grandfather. Die Großeltern, grandparents. Word 4.
Der Opa. Der Opa.
Is that grandpa? I've seen der Großvater before. How are they different?
Grandpa. Der Opa, masculine, plural. Opas, also granddad.
Mein Opa heißt Hans.
My grandpa is called Hans. My grandpa is called Hans.
Der Opa liest dem Kind eine Geschichte vor.
Grandpa reads the child a story. Key distinction. Der Opa equals grandpa, informal. Der Großvater equals grandfather, standard word.
Der Opa. Grandpa. Plural. Opas. Different from der Großvater.
Die Oma, grandma. Der Großvater, grandfather. Die Großmutter, grandmother. Word 5.
Die Ordnung. Die Ordnung.
Is that order? I've seen das Chaos before. How are they different?
Order. Die Ordnung, feminine. Plural, Ordnungen. Also, tidiness.
Das ist in Ordnung.
That is fine. That's okay. That's fine. Okay?
Alles in Ordnung?
Is everything okay? Key distinction. Die Ordnung equals order, tidiness. Das Chaos equals chaos. Opposites in organization.
Die Ordnung. Order. Plural. Ordnungen. Different from das Chaos.
In Ordnung equals okay, all right. Very common expression. Word 6.
Der Ort. Der Ort.
Is that place? I've seen die Stadt before. How are they different?
Place. Der Ort, masculine. Plural, Orte. Also, town, location.
Der Ort liegt am Meer.
The place/town is by the sea. The place is by the sea.
Das ist ein schöner Ort.
That is a beautiful place. Key distinction. Der Ort, place, town, general. Die Stadt, city, town, specifically urban.
Der Ort, place. Plural, Orte. Different from die Stadt.
Die Stadt, city. Das Dorf, village. Die Gemeinde, municipality. Der Heimatort, hometown. Word 7.
Das Papier. Das Papier.
Is that paper? I've seen das Formular before. How are they different?
Paper. Das Papier. Neuter. Plural, Papiere.
Hier sind Papier und Bleistift.
Here a paper and pencil. Paper and pencil.
Haben Sie Ihre Papiere dabei?
Do you have your papers/documents with you? Key distinction. Das Papier equals paper material. Die Papiere equals documents. Plural has different meaning.
Das Papier. Paper. Plural, Papiere. Different from das Formular.
Das Papier, no plural, equals paper material. Word 8.
Der Partner. Der Partner.
Is that partner? I've seen der Freund before. How are they different?
Partner. Der Partner, masculine. Plural, partner. Also, spouse, companion.
Sie ist meine Partnerin.
She is my partner. She is my partner.
Mein Partner und ich wohnen zusammen.
My partner and I live together. Key distinction. Der Partner equals partner, life, business. Der Freund equals friend, boyfriend. Partner is more formal.
Der Partner. Partner. Plural, partner. Different from der Freund.
Die Partnerin, female partner. Der Freund, friend, boyfriend. Die Freundin, friend, girlfriend. Der Ehemann, husband. Word 9.
Die Party. Die Party.
Is that party? I've seen die Feier before. How are they different?
Party. Die Party, feminine. Plural, parties. Also, celebration.
Heute Abend machen wir eine Party.
This evening we are having a party. Having a party tonight.
Kommst du zu meiner Party?
Are you coming to my party? Key distinction. Die Party equals casual gathering party. Die Feier equals celebration. Slightly more formal.
Die Party. Party. Plural, parties. Different from die Feier.
Feiern, to celebrate. Die Feier, celebration. Der Geburtstag, birthday. Einladen, to invite. Word 10.
Der Pass. Der Pass.
Is that passport? I've seen der Ausweis before. How are they different?
Passport. Der Pass, masculine. Plural, Pässe.
Im Hotel brauchst du deinen Pass.
At the hotel you need your passport. Need passport at hotel.
Der Pass ist nicht mehr gültig.
The passport is no longer valid. Key distinction. Der Pass equals passport for international travel. Der Ausweis equals ID card for domestic.
Der Pass. Passport. Plural, Pässe. Different from der Ausweis.
Der Reisepass, travel passport. Der Ausweis, ID card. Gültig, valid. Verlängern, to renew. Word 11.
Die Pause. Die Pause.
Is that break? I've seen die Freizeit before. How are they different?
Break. Die. Pause, feminine. Plural, Pausen. Also, pause, interval.
Von 12 bis 12:30 Uhr haben wir Mittagspause.
From 12 to 12:30 we have our lunch break. Lunch break.
Jetzt machen wir eine Pause.
Now we are taking a break. Key distinction. Die Pause equals break from work/class. Die Freizeit equals free time, longer leisure period.
Die Pause. break. Plural, Pausen. Different from die Freizeit.
Die Mittagspause, lunch break. Pausieren, to pause. Halten, to stop. Word 12.
Der Plan. Der Plan.
Is that plan? I've seen die Karte before. How are they different?
Plan. Der Plan. Masculine. Plural, Pläne. Also, map.
Ich kaufe mir einen Stadtplan.
I'm buying a city map. Buying a city map.
Was ist der Plan für heute?
What is the plan for today? Key distinction. Der Plan equals plan, intention, or map, city. Die Karte equals card, map. Plan as city map is specific.
Der Plan. Plan. Plural, Pläne. Different from die Karte.
Der Stadtplan, city map. Der Fahrplan, timetable. Planen, to plan. Die Karte, map, card. And that is all 12 words for episode 37.
Ohne, das Öl, die Oma, der Opa, die Ordnung, der Ort, das Papier, der Partner, die Party, der Pass, die Pause, der Plan.
11 nouns. Quite a spread. I love this series.
2 things to take away above all else from today. First,
Ohne.
ohne, Akkusativ, always. Ohne Geld, ohne Milch, ohne ihn. And second,
Der Plan.
the plural of der Plan, Pläne.
Locked in. See you in episode 38.
See you next time und auf Wiederhören.
Auf Wiederhören.